Superfood dates. Unlock the power of nature's sweetest health booster. Feeling drained, overwhelmed by sugary cravings, or struggling to find snacks that fuel your body and taste amazing? You're not alone. Many of us are caught between choosing quick fixes that leave us crashing and healthy options that feel uninspiring. But imagine a snack that's naturally sweet, energizing, and packed with the nutrients your body craves. That's where dates come in. These little superfoods are more than a treat. They're a solution. Say goodbye to empty calories and hello to sustained energy, better digestion, and a natural way to satisfy your sweet tooth. The secret to feeling your best has been growing on trees all along. Let's unlock it together. Introduction to dattle and dates as a natural sweetener. Once upon a time, in a hot golden desert, there lived a small tribe surrounded by tall, elegant palm trees. The children of the tribe ran from one place to another, but they always stopped under the trees to eat a magical fruit, dates. They looked simple, with their shiny brown skin, but when you tasted them, it was like biting into a little piece of sweet sunshine. One of the children, named Amir, a curious boy, asked the tribal elder, "Why are dates so special?" The elder smiled and replied, "Amir, dates are a gift from nature. They are as sweet as honey, but they don't harm us like the sugar some people use. They give us energy to run and play all day long, and they also take care of our bodies from the inside." Amir looked at the date in his hand in surprise. He knew that sweets could be bad if eaten in excess, but dates were different. The old man continued, "They are not just sweet. They are full of good things, like vitamins and minerals, which help our bones, muscles, and even our heart. And do you know what's amazing? They also help the brain feel happy, like a sweet hug from the inside." Amir then started telling all his friends about this incredible fruit. He said, "It's like eating a magical candy that makes you strong and healthy." #### dates in today's world. This story didn't just stop in Amir's desert. Today, dates are everywhere, being used as a natural alternative to refined sugar. Think about it. When you eat a sweet treat with regular sugar, your body works hard to process it. Sometimes, the result is that you get tired or feel hungry again very quickly. But dates are different. They release energy slowly, as if they were taking care of you. But here's an important warning. Although dates are naturally sweet, they should also be eaten in moderation. As the old man used to say, everything good should be enjoyed in moderation. So when you feel like eating something sweet, remember Amir's story and try a date. In addition to being delicious, it brings the energy and care of nature to your day. How about it? Nutritional value, vitamins and minerals. Dates are often called a nutritional powerhouse because they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to stay healthy and strong. These small, sweet fruits might look simple, but they are like tiny treasure chests of goodness for your body. Let's break it down. Magnesium. This mineral helps keep your muscles and nerves working properly. It also supports a healthy heart and strong bones. Calcium. Essential for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium is vital, especially for growing kids and aging adults. Potassium. Known as a heart-healthy mineral, potassium helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your heart beating smoothly. Copper, manganese, and iron. These minerals are super important for producing energy, keeping your blood healthy, and helping your body heal when you get a cut or scrape. Selenium. This one's a bit rare in many diets, but dates have it. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and keeps your immune system strong. It also supports thyroid health. When you eat dates, you're not just getting a quick boost of natural sugar. You're giving your body a dose of these vital nutrients that support overall well-being. ###. How do these nutrients help you? Imagine your body is like a machine, and each of these vitamins and minerals is a part that keeps the machine running smoothly. Without magnesium, your muscles might feel tight or crampy. Without iron, You might feel tired and sluggish because your body can't produce enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen. The nutrients in dates work together to keep you energized, focused, and strong. For example, if you've been feeling low on energy, dates can provide a quick pick-me-up. Their natural sugars give you energy right away, while the vitamins and minerals keep that energy lasting longer. Plus, because dates are nutrient-dense, they are a better choice than sugary snacks that don't provide much else besides empty calories. Hashtag a nutrient-rich alternative. Instead of reaching for processed foods when you need a snack, consider grabbing a handful of dates. They're nature's way of giving you a sweet treat, while also nourishing your body with the nutrients it craves. Whether you're fueling up for a workout, recovering after a long day, or just looking for a healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth, dates are a fantastic option. So next time you enjoy a date, remember, it's not just a snack. It's a delicious way to give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. If you enjoyed this tip and want more amazing content about health and wellness, make sure you're part of our community. Check now if you're subscribed to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's unlock the power of nature together and transform your routine. High fiber content. Dates are not only delicious and full of nutrients, but they're also an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber is like a little helper for your digestive system, keeping everything running smoothly and making you feel good from the inside out. Hashtag what is fiber and why do we need it? Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't fully digest. While that might sound strange, it's actually a good thing. Instead of being broken down for energy like other carbs, fiber passes through your digestive system and helps in several important ways. 1. Slowing sugar absorption. When you eat something sweet, the sugar can sometimes enter your bloodstream too quickly, causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Fiber acts like a gatekeeper, slowing down this process and helping to maintain steady energy levels. This makes dates a better option than sugary snacks. 2. Promoting healthy digestion. Fiber is like a broom for your digestive system. It helps move things along and prevents constipation by adding bulk to your stool. 3. Supporting gut health. The fiber in dates feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which is essential for a healthy microbiome. A balanced microbiome can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. 4. Helping you feel full. Fiber takes longer to digest, which means it keeps you feeling full for longer. This can be really helpful if you're trying to manage your weight, as it may reduce the urge to snack on less healthy options. Hashtag how much fiber do dates contain? Dates are impressively rich in fiber. Depending on the type and ripeness, they contain about 6–11% fiber. This means that just a few dates can give you a significant boost toward your daily fiber needs. Most adults should aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber a day, and eating dates is a tasty way to help reach that goal. Hashtag why fiber matters for everyone. Whether you're a kid, an adult, or an older person, fiber plays a vital role in keeping your body healthy. For children, it helps establish good digestion habits early. For adults, it supports heart health and stable energy levels. And for older individuals, fiber helps prevent digestive issues that can become more common with age. Hashtag adding dates to your diet for fiber. There are so many fun and easy ways to include dates in your diet to boost your fiber intake. Add chopped dates to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Use them as a natural sweetener in smoothies or baked goods. Snack on them plain for a quick fiber-rich treat. Combine them with nuts for a healthy, satisfying trail mix. Hashtag a balanced approach. While dates are a great source of fiber, it's important to enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. Eating too many at once might overwhelm your digestive system. so stick to a reasonable portion, around 2 to 4 dates per serving, to get the benefits without any discomfort. In summary, dates are not just sweet and tasty, they're also fantastic for your digestive health, thanks to their high fiber content. Incorporating them into your meals and snacks can be an easy and enjoyable way to keep your gut happy and healthy. Antioxidant benefits. Imagine a bustling city inside your body, where trillions of tiny workers are constantly building, repairing, and maintaining everything to keep you healthy and strong. But there's a problem. Every day, some troublemakers called free radicals roam the city, causing damage to cells and speeding up aging. Luckily, your body has superheroes to fight back against these troublemakers. They're called antioxidants, and dates are full of them. Once upon a time, inside a little girl named Mia, her body's city was working hard to keep her feeling her best. One day, free radicals, tiny invisible villains, started causing chaos. They bumped into healthy cells, broke them apart, and left them weak. Mia's energy dropped and she felt tired. That evening, Mia's mom gave her a snack of dates. As Mia ate them, something magical happened inside her body. The antioxidants from the dates, like brave warriors, sprang into action. These antioxidants, including selenium and polyphenol, chased the free radicals away, repairing the damage and protecting Mia's cells. The leader of the antioxidant team, a wise selenium molecule, said to Mia's cells, "We're here to help. With us around, you'll stay strong, recover faster, and even look younger for longer." The polyphenol chimed in, "And we'll make sure your body stays calm, reducing inflammation and stress." Soon, Mia felt energized and ready to play again. The free radicals had been defeated, and her body's city was back to running smoothly, thanks to the powerful antioxidants in dates. How antioxidants help you. Antioxidants are like shields that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can come from things like pollution, processed foods, or even just natural processes in your body. If left unchecked, they can contribute to problems like aging, inflammation, and even serious diseases. That's why antioxidants are so important. They stop the damage before it gets out of control. Dates are packed with antioxidants, including selenium, protects cells from damage, boosts your immune system, and supports a healthy thyroid. Polyphenol, help reduce inflammation, lower your risk of chronic diseases, and keep your heart healthy. Why dates are a natural choice. Unlike processed snacks, which can add more free radicals to your body, dates are a natural source of antioxidants that work to protect and heal. Eating dates regularly is like inviting a team of superheroes to guard your body's health. Over time, they can help slow down the effects of aging, keeping your skin glowing and healthy, reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to heart disease and other chronic conditions, support your immune system, helping you fight off illnesses more effectively. In traditional medicine, for centuries, dates have been valued in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. They were considered rejuvenating foods, believed to boost energy, enhance vitality, and promote overall wellness. Ancient healers might not have known about antioxidants, but they understood that dates had something special to keep people feeling their best. So next time you snack on dates, imagine the tiny warriors inside you, fighting off free radicals and keeping your body strong and happy. They may be small, But these sweet little fruits pack a powerful punch for your health. Heart and circulatory system health. Dates are more than just a sweet treat. They're a natural ally for your heart and circulatory system, packed with nutrients like potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. Dates can play a significant role in maintaining cardiovascular health. #####1. High potassium for blood pressure regulation ****. Potassium is an essential mineral for heart health, and dates are an excellent source of it. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in your body, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. High sodium levels, often caused by consuming too much salt, can lead to hypertension, high blood pressure. Potassium works to counteract this, helping to relax blood vessels and reduce strain on the heart. Including dates in your diet provides a natural way to increase your potassium intake. For example, just a few dates a day can contribute significantly to the recommended daily potassium requirement. ####2. Fiber for cholesterol management ****. The dietary fiber in dates is another key player in supporting heart health. Fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, helping to remove it from the body before it has a chance to enter the bloodstream. This can lead to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. A diet rich in fiber, including foods like dates, promotes overall cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol and improving circulation. ####3. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress ****. Oxidative stress is a condition caused by an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in the body. It can damage blood vessels, contribute to inflammation, and increase the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in dates, such as polyphenol and flavonoids, help neutralize free radicals, protecting the heart and blood vessels from damage. Additionally, these antioxidants improve the flexibility of blood vessels, which supports better blood flow and reduces the risk of clots. ####4. Reducing inflammation ****. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to many cardiovascular issues, including atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in arteries. Dates are known to have anti-inflammatory properties due to their antioxidant compounds, which help lower inflammation levels in the body. This can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases over time. ###How to incorporate dates for heart health. Adding dates to your diet is simple and delicious. Here are a few ideas. As a snack, enjoy dates on their own for a quick and heart-healthy energy boost. In smoothies, blend dates with fruits, vegetables, and a source of protein for a nutritious drink. In salads, chop dates and toss them into salads for a touch of natural sweetness. As a sugar substitute, use dates in baking or cooking as a natural alternative to refined sugar. #### Moderation is key. While dates are excellent for heart health, they are also calorie-dense due to their natural sugars. Eating them in moderation is important, especially if you're managing your weight or blood sugar levels. A typical serving of 2 to 4 dates per day can provide heart-healthy benefits without overloading on calories. In summary, dates are a nutrient-rich food that can support a healthy heart and circulatory system. Their combination of potassium, fiber, and antioxidants makes them a powerful choice for anyone looking to improve or maintain their cardiovascular health. Misconceptions about weight gain. Dates are often misunderstood when it comes to their effect on weight. Because they are naturally sweet and contain carbohydrates, some people assume they are fattening or bad for those trying to manage their weight. However, this is a misconception, and here's why. ####1. Nutrient dense, not empty calories ****. Unlike sugary snacks or processed sweets, Dates are a nutrient-dense food. This means that while they are naturally sweet, they also provide your body with important nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients help keep your body healthy and support energy levels, making dates far superior to sugary, empty-calorie foods. The natural sugars in dates are paired with fiber, which slows down how quickly the sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. This prevents the rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes often associated with processed sweets. ####2. Fiber helps with weight management ****. Dates contain about 6 to 11% fiber, depending on the type and ripeness. Fiber not only supports digestion, but also helps you feel full for longer periods. When you feel full, you're less likely to overeat or snack on unhealthy foods, which can ultimately help with weight management. For example, a couple of dates as a mid-afternoon snack can satisfy your sweet craving and keep you feeling full until your next meal, reducing the temptation to reach for less healthy options. ###3. Controlled portions matter ****. Like any food, portion control is important when eating dates. While they are healthy, dates are calorie-dense because of their natural sugars. Eating too many in one sitting can lead to consuming more calories than your body needs, which may contribute to weight gain. The key is moderation. For most people, eating 2 to 4 dates per day as part of a balanced diet is perfectly fine and provides a healthy energy boost without overloading on calories. ###4. Balancing carbohydrates and other nutrients ****. It's true that dates are high in carbohydrates, but these carbs are natural and paired with other beneficial nutrients. If you're watching your carbohydrate intake, you can still include dates in your diet by balancing them with protein or healthy fats. For instance, pair dates with almonds or walnuts for a balanced snack. Use them in recipes that include protein, like smoothies with Greek yogurt. Add them to oatmeal or salads to naturally enhance flavor and nutritional value. ###5. No link to empty weight gain ****. The misconception that dates cause weight gain often comes from comparing them to processed sweets. Unlike candies or sugary snacks, which provide empty calories and offer no nutritional benefits, dates are a whole food with a wide range of health benefits. Their natural sugars provide energy without the harmful effects of artificial additives or refined sugar. #### When to be cautious. For those managing conditions like diabetes or insulin resistance, it's important to monitor portion sizes and consult with a healthcare provider. While dates have a low glycemic index compared to refined sugar, their natural sugar content can still affect blood sugar levels if eaten in excess. ###The takeaway. Dates are not fattening when consumed in moderation as part of a healthy and balanced diet. In fact, their nutrient profile, fiber content, and natural sweetness make them an excellent choice for satisfying cravings and maintaining energy. The key is to enjoy them thoughtfully, savor their natural goodness, pair them with other healthy foods, and appreciate them for what they truly are: a sweet, nutritious gift from nature. Consumption guidelines. Dates are a healthy and versatile food, but like any food, they're best enjoyed in moderation. While they offer numerous health benefits, overconsumption can lead to unwanted side effects, such as weight gain or spikes in blood sugar levels. Here's how to enjoy dates safely and effectively as part of a balanced diet. ###1. Recommended daily intake ****. For most people, eating 2-6 dates per day is considered a healthy amount. This portion provides a good balance of nutrients and natural sugars without overwhelming your calorie intake. Active individuals, or those needing a quick energy boost, can benefit from eating a few more dates, especially before or after exercise. For those managing weight, sticking to 2 to 3 dates as a snack or part of a meal is ideal. #####2. Considerations for specific conditions ****. While dates are generally safe for most people, some individuals should be cautious. People with diabetes. Although dates have a lower glycemic index than refined sugar, they are still high in natural sugars. It's best to eat them in small amounts and pair them with fiber or protein, like nuts, to slow sugar absorption. Fructose intolerance. Dates contain natural fructose, which can be difficult for some people to digest. If you have this condition, you may need to limit or avoid dates. Dental health. Because dates are sticky and sweet, they can cling to teeth and contribute to cavities. Brushing your teeth or rinsing with water after eating dates can help maintain oral health. ####3. Benefits of moderation ****. While dates are nutrient-dense, eating too many can lead to excess calorie intake. Dates are high in natural sugars and calories, so overindulging can lead to weight gain over time. Digestive issues. Consuming too much fiber too quickly can cause bloating or discomfort, especially if your body isn't used to a high-fiber diet. ####4. How to include dates in a balanced diet ****. To maximize the benefits of dates while avoiding overconsumption, here are some tips. Pair them with protein or healthy fats. Combining dates with nuts, seeds, or yogurt helps balance their natural sugars and provides a more satisfying snack. Use them as a sugar substitute. Replace refined sugar in recipes with date paste or chopped dates to enjoy their sweetness in a healthier way. Portion out your servings. Instead of eating directly from the bag, portion out a small handful of dates to prevent mindless snacking. ###5. Situations where dates are especially beneficial ****. Pre-workout snack. Dates are an excellent source of quick energy before exercise due to their natural sugars and carbs. Post-workout recovery. Pair dates with a protein source to help replenish energy and aid muscle recovery. During pregnancy, dates are beneficial in the final weeks of pregnancy, as discussed earlier, to support labor and energy needs. Dates are a delicious and nutritious food that can be part of a healthy diet for most people. By consuming them in moderation and being mindful of your individual health needs, you can enjoy their benefits without any downsides. Remember, the key is balance. Let dates enhance your meals and snacks while keeping your overall dietary goals in mind. Closing thoughts and encouragement. Dates are truly a gift from nature. A small, sweet fruit packed with incredible health benefits and endless culinary possibilities. As we've explored, they are more than just a snack. They are a source of energy, a natural sweetener, and a treasure trove of nutrients like fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. From supporting digestion to boosting heart health, and even aiding pregnancy, dates prove themselves as one of the most versatile and beneficial foods available. ###Why dates matter. In a world filled with processed foods and artificial additives, dates stand out as a pure and natural option. They provide sweetness without compromising your health and offer a satisfying way to fuel your body. Unlike refined sugars and empty-calorie snacks, dates nourish you from the inside out, supporting your overall well-being. Whether you enjoy them on their own, blended into smoothies, or baked into your favorite treats, dates can fit seamlessly into any diet or lifestyle. ###. A few key takeaways. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Dates are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a nutrient-dense food that benefits your body in countless ways. 2. Natural sweetener. They are an excellent alternative to refined sugar, adding sweetness to your meals while providing additional nutrients. 3. Versatility. From savory dishes to sweet desserts, Dates enhance the flavor and texture of your favorite recipes. 4. Support for specific needs. Dates are especially valuable for pregnant women, active individuals, and anyone looking to improve their heart or digestive health. 5. Moderation is key. Enjoy dates as part of a balanced diet to reap their benefits without overdoing it. #### incorporating dates into your life. If you're new to eating dates or unsure how to use them, start small. Try adding them to your oatmeal, blending them into a smoothie, or simply enjoying a couple of dates as an afternoon snack. Their natural sweetness and chewy texture make them incredibly satisfying and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. #### a sweet reminder. As you savor a date, remember that you're not just enjoying a fruit, you're experiencing a piece of history, culture, and nature's wisdom. Dates have been nourishing people for centuries, and now they can nourish you too. So why not give dates a chance to brighten your meals and boost your health? They're sweet, versatile, and packed with everything you need to feel your best. Embrace this little treasure and let it add a touch of natural goodness to your life. Alright, we've covered a lot about dates today. How they're a natural sweetener, a superfood, and packed with all those amazing benefits for your body. But here's the most important thing to remember. Dates are powerful, but only if you use them the right way. So don't just think of them as a snack. Think of them as your little health boosters. But here's the catch. Balance is everything. Eat them in moderation, enjoy their sweetness, and let them fuel your day. And here's a tip to keep in mind. Whether you're looking for energy, better digestion, or just a healthy treat, dates are here for you. But watch out. Overdoing it might take away the magic. Keep it simple, keep it balanced, and let these little superfoods work their wonders. Now it's your turn. Go try them, explore recipes, and let dates be your new secret weapon for a healthier, happier you.